Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already know that previously I have made Unreal Engine
Oh
tutorial,
shit.
but it did not get too much support. That's why I removed the previous Unreal Engine tutorial videos. But now I am deciding to make Unreal Engine tutorial again just for you guys, because Unreal Engine is much faster compared to Blender, and doing animation and importing animation and rendering the final animation is also much faster in Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine is a big and heavy software, but compared to the time it takes in Blender, this software is much faster. Okay, so I will make the tutorial for Unreal Engine. You can see right now I have imported 6 characters: Jeff and Star Lord, and the new character Elsa Bloodstone, Spider-Man and Groot. So all the texturing looks perfectly fine. You can see every textures look fine, and there are also some missing textures in Elsa Bloodstone. So I will tell you how to fix this missing texture, and also the texturing on the character does not looks too good. It is very better compared to the Blender, but we can still improve the textures in this character. So I will tell you how to texture the characters properly in Unreal Engine, because texturing is little bit hard in Unreal Engine, but it's very fun. Okay, and I will also tell you how to render the final animation and how to render PNG sequence in Unreal Engine. It's too much fun compared to Blender. Okay, so this time I will make consistent videos, and there will be an Unreal Engine playlist in which I will tell you how to import the Marvel Rivals character into Unreal Engine with the help of Rivals porting in one click, and everything that you need to know about Unreal Engine from A to Z, from setting up Unreal Engine to actually importing the character, and then importing animations on this character, and then exporting the final animation with the help of good lighting. So I'm not using any part tracing engine right now in Unreal Engine. That's why you can see I can freely move even after importing 6 character. I can change my lighting in real time also. You can see lighting and the shadows is also changing real time. So I am using currently Lumen Lighting, which is much better compared to Blender uses Eevee, which is not that good, but in Unreal Engine Lumen Lighting is perfect, because I don't know, it just looks better. Okay, so we will tell you everything from scratch, and currently I am using Unreal Engine version 5.4. So yeah, because the developer of the Rivals porting has not updated the plugin to the latest Unreal Engine version, that is 5.7.3 something. So we need to use the older version, but it's better because the older version of Unreal Engine are much stable and with new less features. So that's why we can play better in this Unreal Engine. Okay, so I will also tell you some of the things that I recently done in Unreal Engine. So I have basically, I think, imported Spider-Man. You can see there are a lot of Spider-Man model, and I have every Spider-Man skin imported in Unreal Engine with the help of Rivals porting, obviously. And I have also imported some animations also. So you can see there are a lot of emotes animation. So let's start with some other animation. Let's see this, and let's just play it here, and then go where have I imported this guy. Yeah, you can see, right now the animation looks perfect. I am previewing this animation real time in 60 fps, and there is no lag, and you can see I can preview this animation easily. Okay, so this is how easy you can actually import animation in Unreal Engine and play it in real time. And even if you use the lowest quality in Blender, you cannot play the animation in 60 fps in real time in Blender. I don't know why this happens, but Blender is Blender and Unreal Engine is Unreal Engine. It's way faster. You can see the animation he's doing. So yeah, I don't know what kind of animation is this, but it looks pretty dope, and I can play it in real time. So we can render this out by changing the environment lighting and doing any other different stuff. So we can do a lot of stuff. We can add new environment. So I will tell you everything, and the only problem is that I won't tell you is importing maps, because I don't know, my Blender also crashes while importing maps, and my Unreal Engine on Cook also crashes while importing maps of Marvel Rivals, because importing maps is too heavy and my PC can't support that much kind of power. So I need to upgrade my PC. If you can help guys, I will definitely upgrade my PC, and then I might make some map importing tutorial. But for now I will do the basic character importing, its animation, rendering and all thing in this Unreal Engine tutorial series. Okay, so make sure to subscribe my channel and watch my Unreal Engine tutorial. Okay, so from tomorrow I will start uploading Unreal Engine tutorials for you guys. Okay, see you later. This was the quick announcement, and till then, goodbye guys, enjoy, and see you later guys.